someone got the hiccups.
Right, yeah. What's in the box?
Right, what have we got for you?
What's in the box?
We have managed to get our hands on a Morrisons box. Do they have a proper name? A Morrisons food box? A Morrisons box?
Yeah, meat food box.
Yes, we've gone for the meat version. So, decided we would show you what's in the box. So let's have a look. Right, okay, so
What's in the box, dear?
first off, Morrisons medium white. What date is it today?
Alexa, what's today's date?
Today is Wednesday the 8th of April.
Okay, so we've received this on the 8th and this is good until the 11th.
That's rubbish.
3 days. Yeah. So we'll set that down. Next up,
That's good.
will we hit us? 10th of April. That's alright. Okay, so they are called food boxes. Right, next up. Pilau rice, which is good until September. That's alright. Next is Morrison Savers spaghetti, which is good until March 2022, so that's okay. Ooh, now we got soup, but actual Heinz. So 1 tomato and 1 vegetable. Ooh. Morrison's carrots, 10th of April, so they last until what? Hello Jarvis. 2 days from now. Okay, not great, but okay, baby potatoes again until the 10th of April. Ooh, wow, onions. Quite a number of them until the 13th of April. That's not too bad. What's next? Cucumber. No date.
I don't know what we're going to do with this. We don't need that.
What is this? Oh, it is heavy. Cabbage. Agreed, yeah, we don't really eat cabbage. It's only good until the 10th of April. Let's put it back here. Oh, what's this one? Baked beans. Okay, no Heinz baked beans.
I know, what's that?
They can afford Heinz soup but not Heinz baked beans. Right. Kitchen roll.
Very valuable.
Ooh, like diamonds. Actual Andrex toilet roll.
And then you show them that. That's chilled.
Okay, so this the next bit. I'm going to move the box down. Next bit is the chilled bag. So this is,
Instant.
yeah, it looks like it's insulated. Okay,
We watch it.
and we will show you what's in this. So, first bag. Move this back. We have salted butter.
Salted.
Yeah.
I can't beat with that.
We've got tomato and basil pasta sauce,
Yum.
which is, let's see, how long is that good for? That is good until the 27th of April. So that's not so bad. Right, let's take a wee minute to reposition everything backwards so we can bring some more new stuff in front. Okay, next up is Cravendale. 30th of April. Not too bad. Let's put that there. Ooh, cathedral. Happy days. Mature as well. So that's the first bag.
Dairy, I presume.
Oh yeah, actually, yeah, there was a theme I didn't realise.
And then meat.
And now the meats. So first up is the 9th, which is
Tomorrow.
tomorrow?
That'll be tonight's dinner then.
Yeah, okay. 500 grams of mince.
Ooh.
Unsmoked bacon, 10 slices.
In a random
And yeah,
thing.
custom packaging basically. 29th. Okay, so that's part of the meat. Oh, more mince, which is good until the 10th. So we've got,
Same.
yeah. What? Is it not?
Good.
Yeah, oh, you mean the date, sorry.
It's the same date.
It's like when it's the same one. Okay, come back. Next is... Oh dear. How much weight is this? 485 grams of chicken, good until the 13th.
That's good.
And the last thing is
Saturday.
pork sausage, good until the 13th. So, what day is today?
8th.
8th, so 5 days. So basically to the end of the week, that'll do us fine. And the last thing that was in the bag is
Ice.
2
Ice.
ice packs. Keep everything chilled. So I'll put this down and give you an overview again of everything. So you can see the meat. Got a total of a kilogram of mince, 10 slices of bacon, 6 sausages, just short of 500 grams of chicken. We got baby rocking away. We got milk, cheese, butter, peeler rice, cucumber. For bread we got pittas and a loaf of white, 2 tins of Heinz soup. For vegetables we got onions, potatoes and carrots. And then we got a kitchen roll and toilet roll. So how much did this cost us, Daniella? 35?
Yeah, but it was 30 plus £5 postage.
Ah, okay. I'd say that's alright. I'm not complaining. I mean, it's not as hard to get to the shops these days, but we still don't want to spend the entire day possibly queuing to get in, as that's the real issue to us. One of us has to go and the other one stay with Thea, and someone has to queue up for a couple of hours.
A couple of hours.
Yeah, a couple of hours.
I don't think
I
it's
don't know.
quite a couple of hours.
Fair enough. Well, we hope this was useful to you, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye. Good morning. So yeah, we said goodbye in the video, but Daniella then had a good idea of we should count up the price of everything. So I don't know if you noticed throughout the video, the price of each product was coming up below, and that was Daniella's thinking. I hadn't thought to do that, so we did that. And now the next day while video editing, I have the total of how much everything cost. So we paid £30 and £5 delivery. The total cost of all the products, which Daniella got by looking up the Morrisons website for each product on the day that we had it delivered, and the total price would have come to £32.40. So £2.60 essentially is what we paid for delivery. We're not upset with it. That's pretty decent. We did notice by looking at other people's boxes that we didn't get anything like ham. A lot of people got ham and some people got peppers. We did get an extra packet of mince, so we think that was supposed to be the substitute for the lack of ham. There's not much ready-made lunch stuff. There's cucumber, bread and butter. So there's bacon and sausages, so yeah, you could cook that and make it. So that's the only thing that we're lacking, and the dates weren't the best, but for the bread, you can freeze it. Sorry, post came there. And Daniella's out at a visit for the doctors for Thea's first Jags. And excuse the mess, I'm working from home. So what was the last thing I said? Yeah, so we're pretty pleased with it. Certainly get us through for the next couple of days. And we'd like to know what you think. And if you did get a box, we'd like to know what you got in yours that was different. So, until next time.